Android Live.
We're back.
We're back in action.
Back. Alright, we're back after technical difficulties. Maybe it works now, who knows. Got Dan and Andrew over here, taking the exhaust off. Still haven't done much. We took the wheels off, took some of the harness off from the engine bay, fuel lines. Getting the exhaust off now. We got the dash out, steering column. That way we can drop the subframes and yank the motor out. So far so good though. Could use an energy drink though, that's for sure.
It's different sound. Are we live?
Yeah, we're live.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, we're live. Oh yeah, baby, we live.
What was that? Different sizes on it? Whoever built this car is a fucking jackass. Fucking dickhead. Huh?
Who?
Where? Working on getting the engine out. Got an
Can you go down
alternator.
just there?
Huh?
Go down just there.
Yeah, I can go down.
Oh, snap. Go.
I think it's locked. I think it's locked on that other side. On the lift.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go down.
Pull that pin.
I can't yet. Just push down.
Push down on it?
And go up with it. Here.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's pretty light in the front there.
yeah. Do you want to? I don't know.
Let's try to get this out of the way real quick and then
Cherry picker.
yeah, and then we'll grab it.
Button was with arms off and everything. 17.
It's no longer a 240 with an angle kit. I'm selling my carbon fiber dash if anybody wants it. Leave a comment. It's handmade, one of one.
You got my motor up. You can look here.
Yeah.
Motor has moved forward on the mount.
Really? Yeah.
You want to show it?
That's how you can see better. You can see where the washer used to be.
Oh, it had.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
That's crazy.
That clean spot is, it's where the motor did sit. No longer sits there.
Got Ronnie's 240 out here. He's put a lot of time and effort into it. He doesn't drive it very much though. I don't know if Ronnie's ever actually driven it. A lot of attention to detail. Parts bin. Again, guys, don't forget that my my one of one dash is going to be up for sale. It's real carbon. I laid it myself.
$50.
Is the deposit you have to pay for it?
It's all yours.
Yeah, for the deposit. Then you can pay another $350 when you pick it up in person. It's one of one. Guys, it's handmade. Some knuckles.
Stick that on there. Yeah, it wasn't me. That's crazy. No, we pulled up and it was just pissing out, and he was like, "Oh no, what do we do?" So, yeah. Alright.
Till we're done.
Till we're done. We just got the engine in transit. So. Alright. You want to blast those top two off wide?
Hold it. Cradle it. I don't know. What's... That's a great job. That's a great job. Oh!
Power. It's crazy that small of a trans can hold that much power.
Holds up. Can hold anything.
They probably made it in America, honestly. Do you want a bucket?
Bucket. Or the new. You wanna? I guess drop this thing on a tire or something.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Now we're good.
The plan is to throw the shell into a river. See all the metal shavings in there? All the glue.
Daniel, did you put that bucket right there?
No, I didn't. I don't know who put it there.
Colorado dust in the Bellhauser. Probably should extend the arm out.
Holy! Oh, hold on. We're up against stuff.
Let's drop it and extend the arm.
Red eye?
Yeah.
Coming down.
Sound like a screaming chicken.
That's a good place for it right here, though.
Right back there.
Yep.
And Ronnie's 240 wouldn't be able to fit in here.
Why do you keep saying 240?
Yeah, why are you calling it that?
I don't know what you're doing, but stop it right now.
You're trying to raise bait. Trying to raise bait.
Riley asked what that meant, and I gave her a totally different definition.
Yeah.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get that bitch.
I got a bucket.
Nobody wants your bucket.
You need a bucket. It's making a mess.
Alright, I'm pushing.
Hold on.
Pushing.
Hold.
Pushing P.
Hold this.
Stands for penis.
I think that thing's gonna get 3/8 inch of dust on it before your dad's like, get it out of here.
It'll be in the next 240 before you know it. Not that I'm buying another 240 or anything.
You have that red 240 at your house, so you could just drop the LS in it.
I don't have a red 240.
The one like this one?
Yeah, I don't know. That's his
Yeah, 240Z.
Hate this hoss of a transmission.
Just put it on one of those jacks behind you. That way you can wheel it around. Yeah.
I'll put it on the jack so I can wheel it around.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah. It's a good idea on me.
Pretty good thinking.
Where'd all this coolant come from? Didn't we drain the coolant out of it?
Into a bucket.
What's on the last C4? The one back in?
Yes. Mine's almost over.
You know, if you squint your eyes and think about it, it almost tastes like beer. What are you doing, Dan?
I'm taking the calipers off.
Take the calipers, coils,
Yeah, the coil's already off. This is the other caliper.
engines out, subframe, rear subframe's out.
We got 2024.
The car's basically a bare shell now, for the most part. Still need to get a couple things off, like the fuel filter, and the PMU, and the Holley. But other than that, we're making pretty good progress, I feel like. What do you think?
I think we have got it pretty stripped.
Pretty strict.
A little left, a little bit left.
Little stuff to go.
Hey, that subframe stud.
That's, yeah, that big ass stud. If you guys don't remember, we had to weld that in. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what the new
Look at how perfect that is, though.
straight held up. I am on YouTube and music. Sponsor me, YouTube.
Be able to hear a little bit better.
But I got my new knuckles.
So,
I got them over here.
with this kit.
Got some reinforcement kits on them. They're all painted, all nice and sparkly.
Ta-da!
Ready to go.
It looks great.
All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Car's off the lift on the ground. Everything's out. We're ripping the wiring out. I got the headlight assemblies off. Hydro's out. Now we just got all this spaghetti underneath the dash.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah.
You got all my spaghetti?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in a bowl and get some pasta saucing. Nom, 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 nom.
Spaghetti. All right, well, she's completely gutted. We got Coop's car back in here. It's engineless, subframeless. Battery's gonna die again, but anyway,
cold.
it's cold.
Battery's
Subframe's out,
dead.
everything's out. We're ready to go into the new. Well, guys, it's the next day or two. 240's in my backyard on the trailer. I have to drag it off. But she's a strip chassis. You know, she is just looking like a bare shell. But we have a couple options here. One, we can get some suspension back on it, subframes, front and rear coils, some cut knuckles, factory arms, all the good jazz. Put a cheap motor in it. Don't know what the cheap motor would be, and make it like a go-kart. Leave it exactly like this, no door panels, no anything. Motor, go-kart. Probably gonna have to take the windshield out because it is broken. The fork went straight through it. But we can probably get some plexiglass glued in there. Or no glass at all, I don't know. It could be just a straight up go-kart. What do you guys think? Or we can try to pull this out. I don't think it's going to, but we can yank it and yank it, try to porta power it. But as you can see, the cage, this was a straight bar, and it's not straight anymore. So you can see it's kinked that bar there. Pretty good. Floor's all caved in, but we can try to yank it out. I don't think it's gonna work, but we can try. and maybe get it back together, body panels and all. Those are the two options. If it doesn't work, pulling it back apart, we may make things worse and may not be able to use anything of it. So that's what we got right now. Go kart it or try to resurrect it. I don't know, whatever you guys think. But for right now, it's gonna probably stay in my backyard along with my black 350Z for now until forever. Until we come up with some money or some ideas to do something. But that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the new build, the new project. Gonna be working on it very soon. You know, Andrew, he's got his 240 now, his S13 hatch, and we got a lot of parts coming for that. We got a lot of parts coming off of this car for that car, so that'll be sick. But yeah, RIP 240, you were a good one. Always be remembered. You just see how twisted this thing is, man. But that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Keep watching for more updates and for more to come. But catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.